And we know that red blood cells, one of the richest sources of cholesterol in the body, is because the red blood cells, they're this funny shape. They have to be very flexible and malleable. And if they're not, they die. They get filtered out of the blood pretty quickly. So they need a lot of cholesterol. Now, remember, we're talking about these plant sterols before, the phytocholesterol and these kind of things. A bunch of literature that demonstrates that the more red blood cells take on these plant sterols, the shorter their lifespan is. They become more fragile. They basically self-destruct. Number one, that tells us two things. Seed oil's bad. Number two, these fake plant cholesterols can actually get into the red blood cells. And one of my suppositions that I posit in my lecture is that a lot of what we're seeing within the atherosclerotic plaque that we used to think was cholesterol is actually, in actual fact, not cholesterol, but it's actually the fake plant variant. And the reason is when we actually look at it under a microscope and you see these little clefts where we say, oh, that's a cholesterol cleft, you're not actually looking at cholesterol. You're looking at the space where the cholesterol used to be, where it's been dissolved after chemical treatment. And it's very difficult for us to distinguish between actual human cholesterol and the fake plant variety.